Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you how to install the printhead. Now we begin installing the printhead. First, install the ribbon cable. Please note that the cable has a correct orientation. If it is reversed, it cannot be inserted. After the cable is installed, position the printhead with the ink tubes facing outward and align it with the mounting holes. Once it is in place, tighten the screws by turning them clockwise to secure the printhead. Each printhead should be installed using the same procedure. After installation, proceed with the wiring. Connect the ribbon cables in the correct order, and then connect the ink supply tubes. Once one printhead is installed, the remaining printheads can be installed in the same way. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.